If you've ever wondered how to create and use Mailchimp sign-up forms to grow your email list, stick around. I'm going to show you step by step how to set up and customize your forms in Mailchimp, plus some tips on how to get the most out of them. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to collect leads like a pro. First off, Mailchimp is a fantastic tool for email marketing, and creating sign-up forms is one of the easiest ways to capture contacts. The best part? You can start using it for completely free from the first link below and get access to some exclusive bonuses to help you get started. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, head over to the Audience tab and select Sign Up Forms from the drop-down menu. From there, you'll see a variety of options for creating different types of forms, embedded forms, pop-up forms, or forms with a custom design. For this example, let's focus on the embedded form. Next thing, once you select Embedded Forms, you'll be given a few customization options. You can choose to include fields like the email address and name, or even add extra fields if needed. The great thing about Mailchimp is its simplicity, so you don't have to worry about coding. Just drag and drop, and you're good to go. The third thing is styling. This is where you get to make your form match your brand. Mailchimp lets you customize the look by adjusting fonts, colors, and layout to fit your website's design. It's all done through an easy-to-use interface, so you don't need to be a designer to make it look professional. Now, after you've customized your form, you'll want to get it onto your website. The next step is simple. Copy the code Mailchimp provides for the embedded form. Head over to your website, paste the code into the section of your site where you want the form to appear, and save. If you're using a website builder like WordPress, there's usually a widget or plugin for easy integration, but Mailchimp's instructions are clear if you need help. The fourth thing to consider is setting up a confirmation email. This is important because Mailchimp lets you send a confirmation email to subscribers as soon as they sign up, helping you maintain a high-quality list. To do this, just go to the form builder and set up an automated email to thank them for subscribing and confirm their email address. Now that the form is live and running, let's talk about tracking. Mailchimp gives you detailed insights into how your sign-up forms are performing. You can see how many people are signing up and which forms are getting the most conversions. This data will help you optimize your forms over time and improve your conversion rate. One final bonus tip, use Mailchimp's pop-up forms to capture even more leads. You can trigger these forms to appear after a certain time on your site or when a user scrolls to a specific point. It's a great way to get more signups without being intrusive. To wrap up, remember that Mailchimp sign-up forms are an easy, effective way to collect emails and grow your list. Whether you're using embedded forms or pop-ups, Mailchimp makes it incredibly easy to design and integrate them into your website. And remember, you can start using this software for free and even get an extended free trial through the link below. Give Mailchimp a try and see how you can improve your email marketing today.